Students, how are you? I hope you are well by the Almighty Creator. I am also well, but not fully well. I have been suffering from fever and not now fully well. Okay, students, as I am taking class, staying at my home, it will not be too difficult for you, for me, and I also think it will not be, it will be also fruitful to you. Students, last class I taught you about articles, and in the meantime I think you have a clear conception about articles. Last classes I taught you articles are two types. Number one, definite articles, and number two, indefinite articles. Understands? Indefinite articles are two types. Number one, a and an. Clear, students? Indefinite articles are two types, a and an. And I taught you articles put depending on a noun. Understand? Depending on a noun, students. Articles put depending on a noun. And suppose if the word is cow. Last class I taught you if the noun is common and singular. If the noun is common and singular, then usually an articles put. And if the cow is indefinite, then indefinite article a and an may comes. But if the beginning letter has consonant or consonant sound, then a puts. But if the beginning letter is vowel, do you know what's are vowel? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowel. So, if the beginning letter of the noun is vowel or vowel sound, then indefinite article an puts. For example, egg. Egg is also a common noun. Understand? Egg is also a common noun. And the beginning letter of E. Beginning letter is E, and E is a vowel. So before E, here indefinite article an puts. But in this case, if the egg is definite, fixed, then article B comes, the egg. So here lies the problem, because the figure egg and here figure egg, both eggs, the figure of both egg is same. But by reading the passage, you have to identify either the egg is definite, either the egg is indefinite. If the egg is definite, then you have to use an. But if by reading the text, if you identify that the egg is definite, fixed, then you have to use article the. This is the difference, and so without a reading power, you won't be able to put articles properly. So students, I ask you to pay attention about reading skill and try to be a skilled reader. Then every grammar will be easy or easier to you. Now, now I am teaching you another thing, that means man. Man is a noun. And what types of noun? Common noun. Before man, if you use honest. Now the question, where articles put? Either here or here. Where articles put? You should remember these things, because man and honest has come depending on man to make the man's quality clear. So honest has come depending on man. If man doesn't stay, the value of honest doesn't stay. Understand? So here honest has come depending on man, so they both stay together. They both stay together. So here articles comes because man is a common noun. But in this case, if the man is indefinite, then article a or an comes. But if the man is definite, then the comes. Understand? Suppose here man is indefinite. So here article a or an may come. Now here two words stays. So depending on indefinite articles a and an, you have to consider a letter. So you may think that here man and here honest, they both puts together. So which letter you have to consider it? Here is a question arise. Either is you have to consider, or man you have to consider. What letter may be considered? There is a question arise. The answer is that as both words put together, so you have to consider is. Here, that means these first letters. So the first letter, if the first letter is consonant or consonant sound, article a may put, or if the word is vowel or vowel sound, then an puts. Understand, students? So, honest, though the word starts with S, but the sound is O, honest, vowel sound. So, you have to put here an honest man. If the word is he or she, he or she is an honest man. So, student, I am repeating the subject matter. Try to understand. If two words put together and if the one is adjective and another is noun, then you have to consider the beginning letter of the adjective. But you should remember that articles puts depending on noun, but as adjective has come depending on man, so only a or an depends on the first letter of the adjective. This is the remarkable point of this item. That means I want to say that articles must come depending on man, but if any adjective may put, then only a or an can be remarked by the first letter of the adjective. This is the difference. Now students, last class I taught you about common noun and the use of articles depending on common noun, and I told in my last class, today I will discuss another noun, common noun, and I told, okay students, today material noun. Do you know what is material noun? Material noun depends on are those words that are mother substance. Understand? Mother substance is called material noun. Suppose soil, water, fire, sorry, not fire, soil, water, etc. Understand? This is called material noun. But when the soil is regarded as the mother subject, then the soil is called material noun. When water is regarded as the mother water, then water is called material noun. And before material noun, the general rule is that no articles put. Understand, student? Before any material noun, the general rule is no articles put. But if the material noun is definite, is fixed, then article the puts. Suppose soil is a material noun soil is sound. Understand? But water is pure. Here no articles put. But when this soil and water are fixed by this way, the soil of Bangladesh is soul. So here article the puts. The soil of Bangladesh is soul. Bangladesh, the soil, and here water of this pond is the general water, no articles put. But when you use water of this pond, then the water of this pond is pure. Understand, student? In this way, the subject matter is when material noun puts, then no articles put, but when the material noun is definite, is fixed, then articles be comes. This is about material noun. Now comes about abstract noun. Do you know what is abstract noun? The noun that can't be seen through our eyes or can't be felt through our skin and can only be felt through our mind is called abstract noun. Understand? Try to understand. Truthfulness. Understand, students? If the word is truthfulness, you can't give color about truthfulness. You can't feel truthfulness through our skin. You can't see truthfulness through our eyes. But we feel some persons has truthfulness. So that type of truthfulness we feel from our mind. This type of noun is called abstract noun. Clear, students? So the general rule is that we can give more example. Honesty. Punctuality, etc. So, the general rule is that before abstract noun, no articles put. Clear, students? Before abstract noun, no articles put. But the same matter happens here. If the abstract noun is fixed, is definite, then article be puts. Suppose Truthfulness is a virtue. Truthfulness is a great virtue. Here, no articles puts, but truthfulness of truthfulness of Abdul Qadir Jilani. Understand? Truthfulness of Abdul Qadir Jilani known to all. But here if the sentence is truthfulness of Abdul Qadir Jilani is known to all. Here truthfulness is not general truthfulness. Truthfulness whose? Abdul Qadir Jilani's truthfulness. So through this phrase truthfulness has been definite. So here articles the puts. This is the difference between abstract noun. Clear? I think through my discussion you have a clear conception about use of articles. Okay students, next class I will try to give example, that means through practice we will try to discuss articles. Thank you. See you next.